The Expense Categories page can be located via the Payroll Settings tab, which can be accessed here and also here. You can find the Expense Categories page under the Pay Run Settings section here. This page is used to detail the various employee expense categories used by your business. The two set up here already, travel and uniform expenses, have already been added to the business. To add an expense category, simply click on the Add icon on the right hand side of the screen. You'll then need to add the name of the expense category. If you intend to use an external ID, you can enter that here too. This is useful if you're importing timesheets and you're going to have an expense relating to an employee brought into the pay run. If you have the same external ID in the timesheet file and also here, the system will match the two. Please note that if an external ID is used that has been used before, you won't be able to save it if the unique external ID setting is switched on. This setting is located under Payroll Settings, Advanced Settings page. If there's a relevant tax code or tax rate percentage, you can also enter that here. Once you're happy with the details, click on the Save button. Once the expense category has been created, you can set up a recurring payment for an employee via their employee file, Pay Run Inclusions page. If you want to make a one-off payment, you can add this directly to a pay run by clicking on the employee's name and adding the expense from the Actions tab. If you need to edit an expense category, simply click on the name of the category. You can then make the required changes and just click Save when you're done. If for any reason you'd like to delete an expense category, you can just hover your mouse over the category that you want to delete and click on the red cross that appears on the right hand side. Just a quick note on this, you cannot delete an expense category that's already in use. You can also restore an expense category by going to Payroll Settings, Restore Deleted Items, and selecting Expense Category from the drop-down box. A list of all deleted expense categories will appear, and you can click the Restore option against the expense category you would like to reinstate. And that's it, the Expense Categories page.